Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my presentation. Okay, in this occasion, I would like to present the article about English learning strategy. Okay, in this article, there are three parts. The first, we talk about introduction, discussion, and the last conclusion. Okay, we come to the first section, discussion. We talk about introduction. Basically, teaching is commonly understood as a profession that can be produced something great when the method and ideas are correctly and accurately presented and implemented in the classroom. The purpose of teaching generally lies in getting students to truly understand the concept and methods being taught. Teaching is also known as a series of activities organized to support the learning process. With teaching English learning strategy, we may be able to teach our students to learning English easier. Teaching is also can be defined as the process of educating or learn the learners who are assumed to have several functions among the others, help develop and transform positive values while empowering and developing the potential of the learner's personality. Okay, we come to second part, that is we talk about definition or discussion. The first is definition of strategy. Strategy is a plan that has not yet reached one or more goals in a state of uncertainty. Strategy is learning in human life. By using teaching strategies in learning English, we can know how students will understand learning English well or fast. Henry defined strategy as a pattern in a stream of decision, to contrast with a field of strategy, explaining why Max argues that strategy is about shaping the future and is the human attempt to get the describable ends with available means. And the next, we talk about definition of learning. Learning is acquiring new or modifying existing knowledge, behavior, skills, values, or preferences, and may involve synthesizing different types of information. Learning is not of from collection knowledge, factual and procedural based learning from experience, and not from change in the organization and change resulting permanent relatively. Therefore, learning is a process that goes in one person to change his behavior, good behavior in thought, and etc. Okay, the next is about understanding learning strategies. Learning strategies and type of learning is an arable field which has attracted many students of second language. Learning strategies can be perceived and interpreted differently, describing the nature of the learning strategies. Are not directly observed behavior as for through constraint measure observed by Huda. Okay, and the next is about classification of learning strategies. Learning strategies, according to Huda, can be classified on a few ways. The first is the strategies list about to learn key strategies and support strategies, or strategy of direct and indirect strategy. Second is differentiated learning strategies for cognitive strategies and metacognitive strategies. The third, learning strategies can be classified on the strategies of synthetic and semantic strategies. Synthetic strategy using function words like prefix, suffix, word classification. Okay, according to Subiantoro, reveal the main types of learning strategies seen from the characteristic of each individual study divided into the first, repeat the strategy, the second, elaboration the strategy, the third, organizational strategy, and the fourth, metacognitive strategies. From study strategy, the learning used by good and less good learners, focus of study is directed towards preparing the systematic of learning strategies. For example, there are two examples. Indirect strategies, memory, cognitive, compensation strategies, and the next example is about indirect strategies, metacognitive strategies, effective strategies, and the last, social strategies. Okay, from both these articles, I got the conclusion. The conclusion, there are many ways to teaching learning English strategies. Learning strategies are used by students to help them understand information and solve the problems. Learning strategy instruction focus on making the students more active learners by teaching them how to learn and how to use what they have learned to solve problems and be successful. Okay, I think that's all about my presentation. Sorry for my mistake, and thank you for your attention. Uh, thank you and goodbye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kurang dikit apa lah.